Alright. My head's being cut off a little bit. Just give me a second. I don't want you to miss anything. I think that should be better. Not really. Oh, that's bad. That's great. Alright. Hi YouTube. This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another drink review taste test video. The purpose of this video is Pepsi has recently come out with a new version of their Zero Sugar Pepsi. And I've got the old flavor and the new version of it. And this is a comparison video. I'm also going to have each of the versions in their own video too. If you just want to see that, it'll be on my channel. But here it is. The old version was a little bit harder to find. I only found like 1 2-liter in the store. Then they had a couple of smaller packs of it. For the most part, it has disappeared fairly quickly compared to, say, when they changed the Coca-Cola Zero recipe. That was around for a bit after they started switching over, but for Pepsi it seems that the old version is going away much more quicker. And here it is. And then a new one, basically the same bottle, but it says new improved taste. Now the difference between the two is caffeine levels. This has 69 milligrams, the old one. The new one is 38 milligrams, and then the old one here has, I believe, ginseng in it, and they got rid of the ginseng. So I read in an article, they got rid of the ginseng, and the old one, yeah, Panax ginseng root extract in the old one, and then in the new one they do not have that. The salt levels are the same. See, water, caramel color, same. Phosphoric acid, same. Aspartame. It says aspartame in the new one, but the other one says aspartame. Then potassium benzoate, and acusate potassium. In the new one, it lists caffeine in the ingredients, but doesn't list caffeine in the ingredients for the old one. And then they both have citric acid, calcium disaramidin. Let's see. Yeah. So some minor tweaking really to it. They say the new one tastes better. I've already tasted both of them, and I did it in their own separate videos. I think the new version tastes a little bit more like regular, but let's review them on camera again, so I could do a more head-to-head taste test. All right, this is the old version, and pop is not nearly so good when it's warm. I mean, this tastes close to the original, but it does have a diety flavor to it. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I prefer Diet Pepsi now over anything. I mean, it's not bad. And then here is the new version. And this came kind of quick with regard to them putting out a new flavor. The diety flavor to this is not as strong. This does taste, it has more of that cola flavor, more like original Pepsi. I mean, they both taste like Pepsi, obviously, but this tastes more like regular. You don't have that diety taste or aftertaste to it as much. Yeah, it's still there a bit, but not as strong. I didn't think it was really strong with the old flavor anyways. Now, if you want to try the old flavor, if you never have, or you liked it, I would get it. Go out now, today. I don't think it's going to last very long, because I've already seen a lot of the new flavor replace it. And you can tell you have a new flavor one. So in the bottle you see this white circle or can. It'll say new improved taste. Right there. I mean, they're both good. I mean, I do think the new flavor is better. Tastes better. Tastes more like regular with compared to the old one. Whoops. I don't want that to be making a mess. But I do think the new one's better than the old one, but Diet Pepsi still tastes better to me. Maybe it's just my taste change. But anyway, I wanted to review a comparison video. Anyways, here's a comparison video for them, and then I did a video on each just in case if anyone's searching, they just want to find out what new flavors like. Any comments, questions, please put them below. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. All right, let's get on to the next one.